Learn English. Hello, everyone. Here are the two words for today. Number one is food. We can eat. Correct. Number two, will Jennifer the sea? Number one, please listen and write this in your notebook. We eat chicken every Saturday. We eat chicken every Saturday. Chicken. Chicken is meat from a bird, also called a chicken. Now change it to last Saturday. What did you eat? We ate chicken last Saturday. What will you do next Saturday? We will eat chicken next Saturday. Now let's make a flashcard and remember it forever. Please make a card like this. Write chicken up here in the top left corner. Uncountable. We usually say a piece of chicken. Down here, FOO1. This means food, level 1. Over here, the number 12 out of 50. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Chicken. Chicken. Number 2. Please listen and write this in your notebook. Bob takes a look at the book every day. Bob takes a look at the book every day. Bob takes a look at the book every day. This means he sees the book. He looks at the book. Change it to yesterday. What did Bob do? He took a look at the book yesterday. Now let's make a flashcard and remember it forever. Please make a flashcard like this. The basic form, to take a look at somebody or something. Down here, VID1. This means verb idiom level 1. Over here, the number 66 out of 76. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The red part sounds like A. Take. Look. Game over. You did very well today. What will Bob eat tonight? Chicken, correct. Will Jennifer take a look at the sea? That just means, will she look at the ocean? If you're high level, here are the level 2 words. Can you say number 1? Application. This is where we get the word app on your cell phone. Number 2, drawer. Yeah, you pull a drawer out and you can put things in it. Number 3, to attend school. This just means to go to school, to learn there. Today is Wednesday, October 8th. Show number 233. Please write your language on the other side. How do you say chicken in your language? Correct. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.